the Big Five banks quietly charge Canadians billions in fees every year. Here are 10 fees you're probably paying right now, and the exact alternatives to cut them. Welcome back. If you are frustrated by the constant nickel-and-diming from traditional banks, you are not alone. In 2026, the digital banking landscape in Canada has matured, meaning there is absolutely no reason to pay a premium just to hold onto your own cash. Today, we're dissecting the top 10 most annoying, wealth-destroying bank fees and exactly how to escape them for good. Fee number 1 is the most common, the monthly account maintenance fee. The Big Five routinely charge anywhere from $4 to over $30 a month just for the privilege of keeping your money with them. Sure, they might waive it if you leave $4,000 locked up in a checking account, but that's thousands of dollars forced to earn zero interest. The fix? Switch your everyday banking to EQ Bank or Neo Financial. They offer accounts with zero minimum balances and absolutely no monthly fees, and they even pay you high interest on your balance. Fee number 2 is the Interac e-transfer fee. While premium tier accounts usually offer unlimited free transfers, the moment you drop to a basic or secondary account, traditional banks love to hit you with a $1 to $1.50 charge every time you pay a friend or a contractor. This is completely unnecessary in 2026. Almost all major online alternatives, including Wealthsimple Cash, Simply iFinancial, and Tangerine, offer completely free, unlimited Interac e-transfers on all of their base accounts. Coming in at number 3 is the dreaded non-bank ATM fee. We've all been there. You need cash, but your specific bank's ATM is nowhere in sight. You use a competitor machine and immediately get hit with a $3 to $5 convenience fee from your bank. To avoid this, look for digital banks like EQ Bank, which reimburses ATM withdrawal fees nationwide up to 5 times a month, or Tangerine, which utilizes Scotiabank's massive, nationwide ATM network for free. Fee number 4 is a brutal extension of the ATM problem, the white-label convenience fee. These are the private, unbranded ATMs you find stubbornly sitting in bars, concert venues, and independent gas stations. Not only will your bank charge you for using an out-of-network machine, but the private owner of the machine will also charge you a premium that can easily exceed $5 per transaction. The only true fix here is behavioral. Plan ahead, carry a small amount of emergency cash, or use a fee-reimbursing card like the Wealthsimple Cash card. Fee number 5 is the non-sufficient funds, or NSF fee. Historically, this was one of the most punitive fees in Canada, often hitting $45 or $50 when an automated bill bounced. Thankfully, as of spring 2026, the federal government officially capped this fee at exactly $10 for personal accounts. While better than before, it is still $10 entirely wasted. Avoid this entirely by keeping a dedicated cash buffer in your main transaction account, or fiercely tracking the exact dates of your pre-authorized debits. Closely related is fee number 6, overdraft protection fees. Many banks will protect you from an NSF charge by allowing your account to dip below zero. The catch? They often charge you a flat $5 monthly fee just to have the protection active, or a $5 fee every single time it triggers, plus charging you roughly 21% interest on the overdrawn amount. Opt out of paid overdraft protection. Instead, use modern banking apps like Neo Financial that push instant notification alerts to your phone the second your balance drops below a threshold you set. Fee 7 is the transaction overage fee. Basic accounts at traditional banks notoriously cap your monthly debit transactions, sometimes limiting you to just 10 or 12 swipes a month. Buy one too many coffees on your debit card, and you'll be charged $1.25 for every subsequent purchase. The simplest fix? Stop using your debit card for daily purchases. Put absolutely all of your daily spending on a no-fee cashback credit card, and pay the balance off in full at the end of the month. You avoid debit limits completely, and actually earn rewards. Fee number 8 is a relic of the past, the paper statement fee. It's almost universally standard now that if you want your bank to physically mail you a summary of your account, they will charge you between $2 and $4 every month for the postage and printing. This is the easiest fee on this entire list to eliminate. Log into your banking app, navigate to Settings, and definitively opt in for digital e-statements. Problem solved, and you save a couple of trees in the process. Fee number 9 is a silent killer, the foreign currency exchange markup. Whether you are traveling outside of Canada or simply buying an item online in US dollars, Virtually every standard credit and debit card from the Big Five banks forcibly slaps a hidden 2.5% fee on top of the base exchange rate. The fix is a modern, no foreign exchange fee card. The Wealthsimple Cash Prepaid MasterCard is an excellent daily driver that strictly uses the base MasterCard exchange rate, charging 0% markup on all foreign transactions. Finally, fee number 10, international wire transfer fees. If you need to send a large sum of money to a family member or business overseas, a traditional Canadian bank will routinely charge you a flat fee ranging from $15 to over $40, and that's before they quietly apply a terrible exchange rate on the back end. This is an antiquated tech tax. You should absolutely always use dedicated modern transfer platforms like Wise, which are incredibly transparent, utilize the true mid-market exchange rate, and charge a tiny, visible fraction of what the banks demand. The era of blindly accepting expensive, mandatory banking fees is entirely over. The digital alternatives in Canada are secure, CDIC insured, fully featured, and incredibly cheap to use. Your homework this week is to audit your last bank statement. Hunt down every single fee they charged you. If the total is greater than zero, it's time to open a digital account alongside your traditional one, and start systematically shifting your wealth away from the nickel and diming. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.